So reproduction, day 1. Your objective for today will be to comprehend concepts related to human reproduction and explain how a single cell develops into a baby. This lesson is pretty vocabulary heavy, so don't forget to add the vocabulary that you see in this lesson to your vocabulary list that's due at the end of this unit. So here are 3 vocabulary words, and the first is cells. The cells are a basic unit or a building block of life. The egg cell is a single cell. It's very large compared to sperms. Sperm are also single cells, and together is what creates a human life. The tissue is a mass of similar cells that performs a specific function. So the cells will divide and divide and divide and get bigger, bigger, and bigger and eventually make tissue. Organs are a part of a living organism that is composed of tissue organized to perform a certain function. Organs include heart, lungs, kidneys. All the reproductive organs are part of the organs. More vocabulary include placenta. Placenta is a rich lining of tissue that builds up along the walls of the uterus that connects the mother to the baby. The umbilical cord attaches to the baby's navel and grows out of the placenta. The umbilical cord is where your belly button is now, and that was attached to the placenta to be able to exchange nutrients and oxygen so that you could survive inside of another human body. So there are 3 stages of growth from once the egg and the sperm meet to turn into a baby. The first is called a zygote. The zygote is just the fertilized egg, and there's a picture of it right there. The embryo is the next stage of development, and that's just the fertilized egg that is now dividing and getting bigger. And then it turns into a fetus, and that's the developing baby after 2 months until it is born, and then it's a baby. So how the whole process works is meiosis. So meiosis is a process by which certain sex cells are created. This process determines who you are. So cells within our bodies all contain 46 chromosomes. 23 of those chromosomes are from your mother. 23 of those chromosomes are from your father. So the egg has 23 chromosomes, and the sperm also have 23 chromosomes. So what chromosomes basically are is every cell in your body contains chromosomes from this egg and the sperm, and all chromosomes, which is basically like a blueprint or genes of who you are, all chromosomes except for sex cells are X-shaped, and the sex cells are Y-shaped chromosomes. Meiosis actually happens when the egg and the sperm unite to make a fertilized egg. So you got the 23 from the sperm, the 23 from the egg. Together, they now equal 46. And that is the beginning of life. Continue on with your playlist.